Okay guys, so now it's time to make the bechamel. For this recipe we will need 1 liter of milk, 60 grams of butter, we've got 60 grams of plain flour, and those are the main ingredients. You will also need some salt, just a little bit, and then some nutmeg if you do have some. Again, I couldn't find any in my local supermarket, so we'll have to do it without. I also, when I make my bechamel, I also like to put some grated cheese and also some grated parmesan, just to give it a different flavor. It really depends on what cheese you have, but definitely parmesan is really good. It just gives a nice kick to the bechamel. And a grated cheese, it just gives some like elasticity to the sauce, but it also gives some more flavor as well. So what we're gonna do, the first step is I'm gonna put the milk on the fire, but I'm gonna put it on low because it doesn't need to, it just needs to be warm, but we don't want to risk to burn it. And then we're gonna melt the butter again. And once the butter is melted, we will need to add the flour, our flour, and then whisk it together with this, and then I will show you the next step. Okay guys, so my butter is melted now, so it is ready almost. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add the flour now. And make sure that switch off, turn off the fire. So your mix of butter and flour will have to melt in the milk, so you won't find any more little bubbles. So you will fill it. You just need to be very patient and just like stir it as much as you can so it doesn't stick it in the pan and it doesn't burn. And then you will see that your milk will change color into more like a buttery color and more yellowish. So I'm quite happy with the consistency at the moment, so I am ready to add some of my grated parmesan here. I didn't weigh that, I just did like by eye. It really depends on how much you like it as well, and what you want to, how much you want to add in there. And then I'm gonna add some of my grated cheese, and then just keep stirring. See, the more you stir it, the more it becomes creamy. And the more it cooks, obviously. So the more it cooks and the more you stir to avoid getting sticking on the pan. Okay, I'm happy with the consistency of my bechamel. So I'm now gonna let it settle for like 15 minutes roughly, and I'm gonna get all the ingredients ready for my lasagna. So the lasagna sheets, the tomato sauce, the meat, I'll put them all together, and then I'm ready to just like stack up all the layers of pasta, meat, cheese. Oh my god.